Hi students, this is Kumar, mathematics teacher, grade 7.
Today, let us learn about the new chapter fractions and decimals. Fractions. Fractions you studied about in class 6. Now, let us recall the fractions. A fraction is a number that expresses a part of a group. Fractions are written in the form a divided by b, where a and b are whole numbers. A and b are whole numbers and b is not equal to 0. For example of fractions, 1 divided by 2, 3 divided by 5 and 6 divided by 11. The next types of fractions. So the first type is proper fractions. Fractions having a numerator less than the denominator are called proper fractions. For example of proper fractions, 3 divided by 7, 7 divided by 13, 5 divided by 32. Here in this example, numerator is less than denominator. 3 divided by 7 is the numerator is less than denominator is a proper fractions. The next improper fractions. Fractions having numerator is greater than or equal to their denominators are called improper fractions. For example of improper fraction is 12 divided by 5. Here numerator is greater than denominator. Here 5 divided by 5 equal to their denominator. So numerator and denominator are equal. It's also improper fraction. Then 21 divided by 11. So these are example of improper fractions. The next type, mixed fractions. Numbers having a whole number part and a fractional part are called mixed numbers. Mixed fractions in the form a b divided by c. For example of mixed fraction, 4 1 divided by 3, 2 3 divided by 5. Every mixed fraction can be written as an improper fraction and every improper fraction can be written as a mixed fraction. The next, equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions can be found by multiplying or dividing the numerator and the denominator of a fraction by the same non-zero number. Equivalent fractions can be found by multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same non-zero number. For example, write 5 equivalent fractions of 3 divided by 5. Write 5 equivalent fractions of 3 divided by 5. So 3 divided by 5. We have multiply and divide the numerator and denominator of a fraction by same number. So here 3 divided by 5, multiply and divide by the same number, 2 by 2. So 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. 3 divided by 5. So multiplying and divided by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15. The next, 5 divided by 5. Multiplying divided by 5. 3 5s are 15. 5 5s are 25. So 15 divided by 25. 3 divided by 5. So multiplying divided by the numerator denominator by 10. 3 10s are 30. 5 10s are 50. Then 3 divided by 5. Any number. Here 100 divided by 100. 3 into 100, 300. 5 into 100, 500. So the equivalent fractions of 3 divided by 5 are 6 divided by 10, 15 divided by 25, 9 divided by 15, 30 divided by 50 and 300 divided by 500. The next type is like and unlike fractions. Fractions having the same denominators are called like fractions, whereas fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. For example of like fractions, 4 divided by 11, 6 divided by 11, 2 divided by 11. So these fractions denominators are same. So these are like fractions. Then 3 divided by 5, 13 divided by 17, 8 divided by 31, 19 divided by 40. These denominators are different. So these fractions are unlike fractions. A fraction is said to be in lowest term when its numerator and denominator have no common factor except 1. Now, addition and subtraction of fractions. A few examples of addition and subtractions. 6 divided by 17 plus 3 divided by 70. So now these denominators are same. So these fractions are like fractions. So write that denominator is 17. So directly add the numerator. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. So 9 divided by 17. So in the next example, 8 divided by 9 minus 3 divided by 9. So these fractions are like fractions, denominator same. So write number denominator 9. So directly you subtract 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. So 5 divided by 9 is the answer. The next example, 4 1 divided by 3 plus 3 2 divided by 3. So these two fractions are a mixed fraction. First you convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. 4 1 by 3. So 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. So 13 divided by 3 plus 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 11. 11 divided by 3. Now these denominators are same. It is a like fractions. So write number denominator 3. So directly you add numerator. 13 plus 11 is 24. 24 divided by 3. So now you simplify. Third table, 1 3 is 3, 8 3 is 24. So the answer is 8. The next example, 3 2 divided by 5 minus 1 1 divided by 5. Now these fractions are mixed fraction. Convert into improper fractions. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 divided by 5 minus 1 1 by 5. 1 5 is 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 divided by 5. So these two fractions are like fractions because the denominators are same. So the denominator is 5. You subtract the numerator. 17 minus 6. 17 minus 6 is 11. So 11 divided by 5. So 11 divided by 5 is the improper fractions. Improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. 11 divided by 5. 2 5s are 10. So the remainder is 1. So the answer is 2 1 divided by 5. 2 1 by 5 is the answer. The next example, find the sum 3 divided by 4 plus 2 divided by 5. So now the denominators are different, unlike fractions. Convert unlike fraction to like fractions. We have to find the LCM of the denominator. So 4 and 5. So the LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So now the first fraction is 3 divided by 4. So 3 divided by 4. So denominator is 4. But the LCM is 20. So you have to multiply and divide by 5. So 4 5s are 20. 3 5s are 50. The next fraction is 2 divided by 5. 2 divided by 5. So denominator is 5. But the LCM is 20. So the numerator and denominator is multiplied by 4. We get a 20. So 5 4s are 20. 2 4s are 8. So 8 divided by 20. So 3 by 4 is equivalent to 15 divided by 20. 2 by 5 is equivalent to 8 divided by 20. So now the denominators are same. So add the numerator. 15 plus 8. 23 divided by 20. So put into mixed fraction. 1 3 divided by 20. You check. 1 into 20. 20 plus 3. 23 divided by 20. So 23 divided by 20 is a mixed fraction is 1. 3 divided by 20. Then another example. Find 5 1 by 2 minus 3 2 by 3. 5 1 by 2 minus 3 2 by 3. These two are mixed fraction. So first you convert mixed to improper. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. 11 divided by 2 minus 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 11. 11 divided by 3. So now is 11 divided by 2 minus 11 divided by 3. So these denominators are different. Take a LCM. Otherwise another one method is there. So first you multiply the denominator. So 2 3s are 6. So cross multiply. 11 into 3 minus 11 into 2. 11 3s are 33 minus 11 into 2 22 divided by 6. 33 minus 22 is 11. Denominator 6. So 11 divided by 6. Convert into mixed fraction. 1 5 divided by 6. So 1 5 divided by 6 is the answer. The next example. Samira purchased 3 1 by 2 kilogram apples and 4 3 by 4 kilogram oranges. What is the total weight of fruits purchased by her? What is the total weight of fruits? So total means we have to add weight of apples and weight of oranges. So the total weight of fruits, add these two. 3 1 by 2 plus 4 3 by 4 kilogram. Now these are mixed fraction. So convert into improper. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 divided by 2 plus 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3 19. So 19 divided by 4. So now the denominator is different. Take a LCM. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So now this fraction denominator is 2. So convert into equivalent. Multiply and divided by 2. So 7 into 2 plus 19 into 1. So divided by 4. 7 2s are 14 plus 19 divided by 4. 14 plus 19 is 33. Denominator is 4. So 33 divided by 4 kilogram. So convert into mixed fraction. So 33 divided by 4 is a mixed fraction is 8 1 by 4 kilogram. So the total weight of fruits is 8 1 by 4 kilogram. I give 5 questions. Do it yourself.